Welcome back to the HVAC interview question series 003. Today we are going to talk about questions which can come on compressors. Okay, so we all know what is a compressor and what is the function of it. I will jump into the questions and you keep yourself ready with a paper and a pen so that you can write the answers, so that you can assess yourself. Okay, so when you go into the interview, there are different ways the interviewer may ask the questions. The first question could be, tell me what are the components in a refrigeration cycle. Then you are going to tell what are the components in a refrigeration cycle, which you have seen in the previous HVAC interview question series. Then he will pick up one of the components. So here we are going to pick up the component called compressor. So he will ask you, why do we require a compressor in an air conditioning unit, or why do you require a compressor in the refrigeration cycle? So you should be able to answer this. Once you tell the importance or the function of the compressor, they will ask you what are the types of compressors available in the market. You may tell the types of compressors, but be cautious that you tell the compressors which are more used in the HVAC industry or the air conditioning industry. Another way of asking the question about compressor is, tell us the compressor is on the high pressure side or the low pressure side of the air conditioning unit. You should be able to answer it. Once you have answered, they may ask you what are the types of compressors. Once you answer that, then they go in detail. They will ask you, tell us what are the range. For example, you say screw compressor. They may ask you what is the range of screw compressor available in the market. Once you tell that, they will ask you what are the units by which you go and give specification to the vendor that this is the unit and this is the capacity of the compressor I want to buy. So you should be able to know. The another question which is very general is, they'll ask you what is the state of the refrigerant when it is entering and what is the state of refrigerant when it is exiting from the compressor. And one more question which is very common is, tell the advantages of a screw compressor or a reciprocating compressor. Any of the compressors which you are going to tell in the list of types of compressors, they may pick up one compressor from that and they will ask you advantages and disadvantages. So you should be very fluently able to answer that. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to share the videos with the candidates who are going for interviews, and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.